Petitioner, my lord, appearing as party in person. Yes. My lord, in this case which I am seeking the writ petition, it is an MC case filed by my husband for the divorce.
Page number, where is the order?
Annexure E1, my lord, page number 64 to 80. That is a certified copy of order sheet in MC 209/2022.
Which is impugned now? Page number 80 is impugned.
60, last page number 64 to 80. The my lord,
Can't engage a counsel, will ask somebody to appear legal services.
My lord, can I submit a few matters? Because in Kerala already, I was the first one to file a divorce petition. I had a counsel.
I'm not able to understand what is the order impugned.
Oh, okay.
What is the order impugned?
Okay. My submission, my lord, in Kerala, he came for a settlement agreement. Settlement conditions were written. As per the conditions, he agreed.
Let us see.
He will withdraw this case. He has written in
to the prayer. What is the prayer you are seeking, so that the court will understand what is that you want?
Okay, prayer.
Let's see. Where is the prayer of yours? To direct the respondents to pay 1 crore for compensation for mental agony, cheating and physical abuse induced to the complainant and her minor child, to dispose application IA number 13 seeking for production of documents, to direct the judge to undergo
to direct the respondent
to undergo medical examination of impotency test as per application IA number 12, to direct the third additional judge to dispose of the matter within 3 months in MC number outcome
3129 of 2023.
Can all this be granted by this court?
My lord, 2 IAs also I have filed. IA number 1 for the stay of proceedings, and
why should that be stayed?
He has agreed he will withdraw this MC case as well as there is a property case, OS 2892. Both the cases he is not withdrawing. As
why the court is saying that you need an advocate, you have so many grievances, but all cannot be redressed by this court. There is a forum for everything. So, no, you can't seek these many reliefs in a writ petition.
Okay.
And 2023 matter cannot be. No, you're coming to your relief number 4 to direct the court to dispose of the matter within 3 months. That cannot be done. It's an MC of 2023.
And that is expeditious disposal I am seeking, because I am the petitioner.
Because in 2023 matters, we are not granting such orders. Because there are several matters which are pending even before you.
My lord, there is a condition of nullity in our marriage. That is why I am seeking.
Oh, all that has to be decided by the court, and it has to be decided in a due course. Then number 1, for this mental agony and all, this court in this application cannot grant any relief. Come to your prayer at page number 30. 30 of the papers which are filed before the court. It appears that you also do not have the complete
yes, I have, my lord.
Look at 30.
Yes, page number 30. These are my prayers. One more submission, because I didn't know, okay. I have filed a criminal petition and I seeked for the stay of the same matter. Then the court hold number 17 judge directed me to file GMFC case. That is why now I am filing the IA for stay here. Otherwise, earlier I have filed in that court, and that court has granted a expeditious disposal in the criminal matters, like criminal miscellaneous case as well as the domestic violence case. My lord, because 3 years I am running behind the court with a minor child, no remedies, no in maintenance, nothing, my lord. We are made to starve to death, and I have to take care of a small child. How will I without any?
Please understand. Court understands all your difficulties. No, you're not. Please understand. You're not getting maintenance. Yes. If that application is not disposed of, if you can tell the court will ask the trial court to dispose of that application. But court will not take a in your case as a different case, and tell the court that 23 matter you dispose of, keep pending all 2019 matters.
My lord, see, he has written a settlement agreement, page number 41 to 55, my lord. Kindly see the settlement conditions he has written, my lord.
Appoint an advocate from the Legal Services Authority. She'll be of some help for you. It won't happen like this. Because you don't know what kind of petitions are maintainable before this court or not. You can only know about your problem, but the solution has to be if a advocate is there, then he'll be able to tell you all these can't happen.
My lord, in Kerala court, my counsel only cheated me. Whatever my petition, she changed that petition with a false sign of me, and whatever alimony I have asked, like 1 crore, she changed it to 5
You
lakhs.
have one option.
So
If you want, we'll appoint.
I'm kind of
please
scared
understand,
to even go with an
we'll
attorney.
appoint a counsel from the from the legal aid. If not, nothing can be granted in this, because the manner in which it is framed, none of the reliefs you sought can be granted by this court. If any IA for maintenance is pending, please tell the court. That will direct the court.
That is already expeditious disposal. I already got the direction, my lord. And this is the condition which he has written in another matter, my lord. It is the same divorce. Actually, this MC 209 is a res judicata divorce petition, which is running by.
Res judicata has to be decided by the trial court. Please understand.
My lord, I have filed the IA. 1 year my IA is pending, and they are not even giving me an order in that, my lord. That is why I am seeking.
When is that? Where is that IA?
IA number 11, my lord. Anishar E2 81 to 86, my lord.
IA number 11. When is it filed?
It is. I have filed soon after the disposal of the case.
Should be a date for
2023, my lord. In the May, my lord.
Have you filed here? That where is that IA number
Yes, sir.
11?
IA number 11, my lord. Page number 81 to 86.
We'll ask the trial court, family court to dispose of this within a period of 3 months.
My lord, one more IA, that is the IA number 12, Anishar F, page number 140.
What is that IA number 12?
And that is to direct the respondent to undergo medical examination of impotency test, my lord. Because he is telling, because child is there, I cannot pray for nullity. The child is born through donor sperm IVF treatment. I have already produced the same document before the court, but for the evidence, I needed that, my lord.
Please come. The present writ petition is filed, seeking the following prayers. Extract all that. The party in person has submitted submitted to the court that the marriage had taken place in Kerala, and from the last few years she has been roaming around the courts, and along with her son, and not able to get any relief from the court. It is stated that she has filed IA number 11 and IA number 12. IA number 11 is filed. That these proceedings are barred by res judicata, and IA number 12 is filed, seeking the direction to the husband to undergo the medical test. It is submitted that the said applications are pending consideration before the court. This court has perused the prayers that are sought by no relief can be granted with respect to the other reliefs, as these IA number 11 and 12 are filed in the year 2023. The trial court family court should consider the same and pass appropriate orders in accordance with law within a period of 3 months from the date of receipt of the copy of the order. No, this court has not proposed and issue notice to the respondent as expeditious disposal of the matter is in the interest of both the parties. Yes, next.